Writing a research paper can feel like climbing a mountain. You start with an idea, and before you know it, you're drowning in literature, struggling with structure, and wondering if your paper will ever be perfect. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to write a research paper that is well structured, impactful, and publication ready. Let's break it down step by step. The foundation of a great research paper is a strong topic. Your topic should be specific. Avoid broad topics like artificial intelligence. Instead, go for deep learning applications in medical imaging. It should also be relevant. Make sure it aligns with current research trends and interests in your field. And finally, it should be feasible. Ensure there's enough data and resources available for you to build a strong argument. If you're unsure about your topic, do a quick literature review to see how much has been written about it. Once you have a topic, it's time for a literature review. This step helps you understand what has already been studied and where the research gaps are. Here's how to do it effectively. Use trusted academic databases like Google Scholar, IEEE, Explore, PubMed, or Springer. Organize your findings in a reference manager like Zotero, EndNote, or Mendeley. Identify key theories, methodologies, and results from previous studies. Always take notes as you read. Summarize key points and note citation details so you don't waste time later. A well-structured research paper follows a standard format. Here's a common structure. First, the title. Keep it concise and informative. Avoid vague titles. Make it specific, like optimizing wireless communication networks using AI. Next, the abstract. Summarize the objective, methodology, key findings, and conclusion in 250 words or less. Make it clear and engaging. Many readers will decide whether to read your paper based on the abstract. Then, the introduction. Clearly define the research problem, explain the significance of your study, and include a brief background and the research gap you're addressing. The literature review comes next. Summarize previous research related to your topic and highlight gaps in the literature that your research will address. After that, the methodology. Explain how you conducted your research, be it experiments, data collection, algorithms, or simulations, and be clear enough so that others can replicate your study. Following that, the results and discussion. Present your findings using tables, graphs, and figures. Analyze your results and compare with previous research to show how your findings contributed to the field. Then, the conclusion. Summarize your key findings and their implications, and mention future research directions. Finally, the references. Use a consistent citation format like APA, IEEE, or Chicago, and check journal or conference guidelines for specific citation styles. Step 4. Writing with clarity and precision. The best research papers are not just well-structured but also well-written. Follow these golden rules. Be concise. Avoid unnecessary words. Use formal language. No slang or casual expressions. Avoid passive voice. Instead of, "It was observed that," say, "We observed that." Use transition words. Words like "furthermore," "in contrast," and "therefore" improve readability. Tippy. Read your paper out loud. If a sentence sounds confusing when spoken, it's probably too complicated. Step 5. Citing sources. Correctly? Proper citations show academic integrity and prevent plagiarism. Here's how to do it right. Use citation management tools to format references automatically. Be consistent. Don't mix APA with IE styles. Always cite sources, even when paraphrasing. Type. Many journals reject papers due to incorrect citations. Double-check your references before submission. Step 6. Editing, proofreading, and formatting. Before submitting, revise your paper multiple times. Here's a foolproof checklist. Run grammar and spell checks using tools like Grammarly or Hemingway Editor. Check for logical flow. Does each paragraph connect smoothly? Ensure figures and tables are correctly labeled and referenced in the text. Follow the formatting guidelines of your target journal or conference. And here's the tip. Get peer feedback. Ask colleagues or mentors to review your work before submission. Step 7. Choosing the right journal or conference. Now that your paper is polished, where should you submit it? Target reputable journals. Aim for ones indexed in Scopus, IEEE, or Web of Science. Check the journal's scope. Make sure your research aligns with their focus. Look at impact factor. Higher impact journals have tougher acceptance rates, but they also offer better visibility. Final words. The submission process. Now, it's time to submit your paper. Follow these steps. Prepare a cover letter summarizing your study and its significance. Follow the submission guidelines exactly. Format, word limit, figures, and so on. Be patient. Peer review can take weeks or even months. If you get reviewer comments, address them carefully. And here's another tip. If your paper gets rejected, don't get discouraged. Read the reviewer comments, revise accordingly, and submit to another journal. And that's it. Now you have all the tools to write a perfect research paper. To summarize, pick a strong topic. Conduct a detailed literature review. Follow a clear structure. Write concisely and cite properly. Edit, proofread, and choose the right journal. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow researchers. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your research.